What is artificial intelligence, or AI?
AI refers to systems and machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, speech, recognition, and decision-making. Early concepts, 1940s to 1950s, 1943, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts create a mathematical model for neural networks. 1950, Alan Turing publishes Computing Machinery and Intelligence, introducing the Turing test for machine intelligence. The birth of AI, 1956 to 1974. 1956, the term artificial intelligence is coined at the Dartmouth Conference by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon. 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum creates ELIZA, an early natural language processing program. Expert systems and renewed interest, 1980s. Rise of expert systems, AI programs that mimic human decision-making, such as Mycin and XCON. 1990s. Introduction of machine learning algorithms focusing on statistical methods and data. 1997. IBM's Deep Blue defeats world chess champion Garry Kasparov. 2000s. Advances in algorithms, computing power, and data availability lead to breakthroughs in speech recognition and computer vision. Advancements in AI, including models like OpenAI's GPT-3 and GPT-4, expand AI applications in healthcare, finance, and autonomous systems. Machine learning is the science of getting computers to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. It identifies patterns and makes predictions based on historical data. ML is the foundation for most AI systems today. Deep learning is a subset of ML that uses neural networks with 3 or more layers to analyze complex data. It can identify patterns and features in the data. The example of deep learning is voice recognition like Apple's Siri and Amazon's Alexa. Neural networks are computing systems inspired by the human brain's interconnected neurons. They are essential to deep learning, allowing computers to process data similarly to humans. The example of neural networks is image recognition in social media platforms to tag individuals. And let's take a look at some of the applications of AI. Healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases and suggest better treatment and robotic surgery. Transportation. Powers autonomous vehicles, traffic management, and ride-sharing. Manufacturing. Helps with predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. Finance. Used for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer service. Education. Supports personalized learning, automates administrative tasks, and provides AI tutors. Entertainment. Creates content, suggests recommendations, and enhances gaming experiences. And we can use in our everyday life for finding any kind of information easily.